Habits will make you or break you. Habits are the one that differentiates successful from the unsuccessful. In this video, I'm going to give you 8 habits that every successful individual has in his or her life. First, successful people set goals. You won't get a single successful person who doesn't set goals. If you don't have any target, it's more likely that you are going to miss it. The amount of pleasure you will get after setting and achieving goal is priceless. So start setting short-term and long-term goals if you want to really become successful in your life. Second, successful people read books. One common habit of every successful individual is that they read a lot of books. The more you learn, the more you earn. If you are not growing and learning, then you are dying. Successful people read because they know that if they want to get at that higher level, then they have to keep upgrading themselves every single day. So if you really want to get successful, you have to read books. For many people, reading books may be a bit boring, and it is okay. But you can also try audiobooks. Third, successful people take responsibility of their life. Successful people never give excuses, they always take responsibilities. It takes courage to take responsibilities. Fourth, they have self-discipline. The major difference between successful and the unsuccessful is self-discipline. Self-discipline is what helps you keep going when you feel like you have to quit. Self-discipline is the key to success. It doesn't matter in which field you are. Self-discipline will always be the major building block of your success. Fifth, they are obsessed by self-development. Successful people are always hungry to build themselves. They always want to become better than they were yesterday. They always want to become the best version of themselves. If you won't develop yourself, then you will fall behind. Ask yourself, even applications upgrade themselves. So why don't you? Sixth, successful people manage their time wisely. Successful people never waste their time in TV shows. Instead, they make a plan of how to use their time wisely. One of the best things you can do is to manage time is to make a journal and note down the things you want to do. So if you want to become successful, start managing your time and stop wasting your time. Seventh, they take risk. Successful people know the value of taking risk at the right time. You won't get higher returns without higher risk. Ordinary people doesn't take risk because the fear of failing. But the fear is just a fear and self-generated thought. Eighth, they keep going. Even if they fail, they will get up on their feet and start again. Life has a habit of teaching lessons. Ordinary people complain about it, but successful people learn from it and move on with their life. Keep going even if you don't want to. In the end, you won't regret it. So these were the 8 habits of successful people.